So now you have the ability to command your servo to go a certain point based on that 0 point. Now let's say, for instance, you like to work with X positives and X negatives. What you can do is, now this will be something that's different on every system depending on if you're working with servos or robots. It'll be a little bit different, but majority of the time you can adjust your zero position. And that may be something that if it's like a FANUC robot, it'll be a frame, or it might be something in an instruction block, or you just might have to do some math where you add a certain amount to this 0 point. So you could do what like an initial offset and say, take this 0 number and I want to add 5 to it, right? And so now this is your new 0 position. And so everything's going to be taught off of this new 0 position. So now you have -5 in that direction and you have +5 in that direction. And a lot of times you'll do something like that if you want things in your system to line up. Like a lot of times with robot, you use different user frames because maybe you have weird work pieces and now your angles are like this. Maybe you're placing on an object that has like a 45-degree angle. And since you're placing on something that has a 45-degree angle, if your Z is this direction and your X is that direction, you really have nothing good to just like go directly in. So it's like, how do I go directly in? Well, majority of the time, if we're doing it, we'll make that our Z because we look at it as that's our downward motion. So we'll do a Z positive away and Z negative towards. And then our X positive and our X negative will be in this direction. So some of these are tools to help the programmer be able to manipulate the robot and jog around things, and other of these are just physically building the relationship. So when it comes to like the user frame type of stuff, that's going to be more so just to help the user, whereas whenever it comes to like creating that relationship between the physical world and the virtual world, that is a have-to thing. Your system cannot operate properly without that information. Let's go back to our example where we have our servo with our limit switches.